just a tad bit over 36. Thighs are just a little bit over 20. So about the same. Weight is 129.1. So I'm fluctuating a couple pounds today. So you hear a lot of people saying, eat low carb and low calorie. And eating low amounts of things is necessary if you're eating unhealthy food. But if you're eating healthy food, you don't have to worry about carbs and calories. Because calories are energy and carbs are nutrients that your body needs. Like fiber, starch, and sugars. Your body needs all of that. So carbs are healthy and calories are healthy. You do not have to eat low carb, low calorie. Calories are good. Calories are energy. We need energy. So if you're eating pizza and nachos, yes, you need to keep that limited. But if you're eating things like salads and raw fruit, you can eat as much of that as you want, even if it's high in carbohydrates. Okay? That's all I wanted to mention for this video. Thanks for watching.